We have JAKSON Group and Mr. Manish Kumar is with us, CMO of Distributed Energy Business. So, Manishji, good morning and welcome you for the Industrial Outlook. Right? If you can tell me about yourself and company's product and services, what have you participated for the REI over here?
Basically, about myself, if I talk, my name is Manish Kumar. I am a mechanical engineer associated with Jackson since last 17 years and total professional experience of around 28 years now. Handled various portfolios in Jackson, including marketing, execution, supply chain as a business controller. And presently, I am heading the solar rooftop, battery energy storage business, and defense special application business.
So, while we consider the rooftop, that rooftop is basically divided into multiple segments. One is the residential, commercial, and industrial as well. So, you consider it as a EPC or the product sale only?
First of all, we concentrate mainly on the C&I segment, which starts generally from 100 kilowatt. Residential, we are not catering as an EPC product, but yes, we are catering as a product as a company for residential segments through our channel partners. But from 100 kilowatt onwards to any megawatt level, we do the complete EPC rooftops.
So, with respect to the government feasibility or the by 2050 government would like to reach to net carbon zero emission. So, what do you see the overall prospect available as a EPC player for you?
I think the prospect available is immense for all the manufacturers, EPC players in solar, because as per our Honorable Modi ji, the target has to be achieved of net zero by 2050 or 2070, in fact, I would say. By 2030, the short term goal is 2030, wherein almost all 500 gigawatt of solar has to be installed to make 50-50 of the fossil and non-fossil fuel distribution. So the potential is immense, of course, and it's open to the sky. Whatever you want to cater, you can cater. But yes, we are focusing on selected segments like industries, institutes, warehouses for this special, wherein we can achieve the top line and bottom line both.
That's fantastic. So apart of solar EPC, you are also into battery storage systems, right? And which is nowadays generating good demand for the storage system because solar has already its demerits, and same time the wind also has the demerits. So comparatively, all put together, storage has generated more curiosity towards the industrialization and the global phenomena. So how do you see? What are the solutions available with you? And what do you see the feasibility of energy storage systems?
CS Jackson, basically, we came up with this battery energy storage in 2021. In fact, after studying the market, what are the challenges being faced by customers? And after seeing the challenges, we thought there is a need of a substitute which can complement the DG set also and the solar rooftop also. So we developed a battery energy storage. This system has been developed in-house by the Jacksonites only, and we manufacture now right from 3 kilowatt onwards to any megawatt level we can do that. And presently we are seeing demand is too good, and but people are talking about it, but yes, presently the capex is high, so we are seeing a slight slow aggression in this buying of this battery energy storage systems. But over a period of time, we are sure that this will be the product which will be an best solution to the market.
Yes, sir. So energy storage definitely it has to be required because solar has own limitations. While we coming to the technology part, many companies are now evaluating these solar cells which can generate the power at night and wind as well. They are with the low wind speed also they can generate the power, and there are other non-conventional energy sources like biogas and other sources. So, but if we see if we are closing down the conventional energy sources, the usage, there is more demand generating like the fuels is the major consideration while we are using the power from the electric vehicles and so on. So they also need more power. So power demand would be increasing in multiple folds while the generation is not increasing into that much fold. So definitely we will be needing the storage, otherwise we will not have that much of energy available whenever we need it. So storage would be the only solution wherein we can have the viability of the, yes, but definitely the cost viability also has to be there. So have we done any projects for the storage at present scenario?
Presently, we have done in Jackson around 15 projects, which includes residential segments. It includes institution, universities. In fact, the Albag University is one, which we have done 3 projects into that. We are recently doing a project for another university in Bhubaneswar. And we have also done for industries into the hybrid mode, wherein it's a kind of a microgrid created, wherein we fix algorithms into it, and once solar is available, the solar caters to the load. If solar is not available, battery storage caters to the load, and if both are not available, then only the DG comes into function.
So, in fact, you already have the solution which is available for the predominant market and caters to any sort of industry, whether it is residential or a small consumer, for 4-5 kilowatts to and higher industries which demands for at least 4-5 megawatt sort of solutions, right? So the industry is already ready to provide the battery storage solution. Well, we coming to the operation part of battery storage, because the battery needs and replacement particularly time to time, and in fact we are also seeing that there is a fire happening with the batteries as well. So what do you, as a EPC player, what do you foresee the technical support in terms of design development and execution support? What do you, that what is the things that differentiate you from others?
Yes, you correctly said that we have been seeing fire in the automobile industry on the lithium ion EV side. So it's a very critical thing. These lithium ion batteries are very critical to cater and operate. So total, it has to be seen in a different way. That's why we say ki we are different from others who are making this energy storage system. People are making an energy storage system by putting just a lithium ion battery and an inverter into it and operating without any thermal cooling or CFD analysis. As Jackson, basically, we are doing this lithium ion battery. First of all, we are not doing in NMC, which is generally being was used by automobile industries, where we see a lot of incidents happening. We are totally using LFP, and as the world is also moving towards LFP, and we have LFP along with LTO technology also, wherein the thermal runaways are very high, so the chances of catching fire is almost negligible. Secondly, whatever we are designing, we are doing the CFD analysis and HVAC calculations for all the models, what we are selling into the market. Even the FEAs are being done, the CFD analyses are being done, so that proper HVAC cooling is designed and proper cooling is maintained of 25 to 30 degree, so that the battery doesn't catch fire anytime. However, we are also on the systems right from 100 kilowatt. We are also providing fire suppression systems inbuilt into it, so that if any incident comes also in place, it should not hamper the life of the equipment. But the case we are doing the USPs, what we talked about, the CFD analysis and the selection and designing of batteries, because we are not compromising on design or cost, designing or quality of the product. So chances of fire are almost nil.
That's really fantastic, and I think the EPC players like you is who has the most vast range of experience, plus the sound technical expertise and installation expertise as well, which is needed to reach to the specified goals. Because while anything we look at, only we don't have to look at the only capex part, we also have to look at the operational part as well. Well, then only the entire system can be sustainable. That's really fantastic that you are offering both the system viable with respect to capex and operational, so that the user don't have to worry into that part. And I'm sure that due to with your help, we can definitely reach out to our net zero emission target, as well as the 450 gigawatt target with the shortest span of time. Okay, coming to the export part, do we see do you do we do the exports as well from the India?
As I told, we have just launched in 2021, so it's hardly 1 year of our launch. So we want to taste the water first into the Indian market where we have strong footprints. And definitely in a year or two, or after 2 years, we will definitely be looking on exports of battery energy storage.
So thank you, Manish ji. With I think your expertise and the support, we see definitely the kind of expertise you have. The all the industries are going to benefit it out of this government, commercials, industries, as well as the small consumers. Not only for the renewable energies, but battery storage, which is the demand at present to get rid of the conventional energy sources. So that is really fantastic achievement what you have done. Since this short span of time, you have done tremendous number of projects and checklist. And I think your quality policies with in-house research and development will definitely help India to be on the next level. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, and we hope that we are able to contribute to the future of the environment and achieve the nation's goal. Thank you.